Step out. I'm not gonna ask you again.
I'm not doing anything
Step
wrong.
out the car.
Letting them know what's going on.
Get out.
I'm getting out the car. You don't have to.
Let's go.
On July 29, 2025, after running the license plate of a vehicle, the officer realizes the owner's driver's license is suspended. He plans to simply write her a ticket, but the longer he speaks with the lady, the more confusing her story gets.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Good. You got your license? Your license suspended, okay?
It shouldn't be suspended.
Yes,
It's
it's suspended again. All right. You got your registration. I ain't gonna take you to jail. I'll just write your ticket. All right?
I'm trying to figure out why it's suspended.
Huh? Your insurance.
I got insurance.
Not on this car. Maybe another car.
No, I have insurance on this car. Give me 1 second. No.
No, you have insurance on this car. Maybe you've had insurance on another car that insurance lapsed.
No, I don't. This is the only vehicle that I have.
Did you have another insurance company prior to this one?
No.
Since you've had this car?
Yeah.
Because you got two suspensions and they're both for financial reasons. And 9 times out of 10 it's insurance related, okay?
No, I have.
I know you have insurance on this car right now.
But what I'm saying is I'm not understanding why my license are suspended and I have insurance. If you know I have insurance on this car, then why is my license suspended?
I'm not with you every day. I wouldn't have an answer for that, okay?
Hello?
Yeah.
So I just got pulled over saying that my license is suspended.
Huh?
I just got pulled over stating that my license is suspended and I have license on my truck.
So you suspended, so you pay your ticket.
I did. I paid all
It's
my
not for the tickets.
It's not for the tickets. It's for the insurance. And I got insurance on my truck.
Yeah, you could have just come last month.
So yeah, I parked my insurance just in time. Somebody else did the same thing. I got pulled over for the same reason. He pulled me over, said my license was suspended, and he had to pull me up in the system, and they told me it wasn't suspended.
No, when I ran your tag,
Yeah,
that's when it said you're suspended. So then I checked the other system, and that said you're suspended.
He ran the tag and everything. Well, I think he was trying to because he had no reason to pull me over. But my understanding is, I don't know if it was you were behind me the first time when I had rolled by before I even went to the store, and then rolled off, went on the highway, went up, and they came back around and parked and waited for me to leave. Like, for what?
Because your license is suspended.
It wasn't even about the license at first because we was coming.
I understand, Ms. Tazewell.
We was coming this way past each other.
And then I turned around.
And you turned around, so I didn't give you a reason to turn around. You could have ran my tag in the front because I don't have a tag in the front of my car.
You didn't have. I don't have to have a reason to turn around on you. All right.
But that's kind of picking because I didn't do anything.
I understand, Ms. Tazewell, but listen, you could be going to jail. You want to argue with me, and I can just take you to jail and we can be done with it.
No, because I'm about to have a ticket to pay a fine.
You want so would you?
Everything is there.
So you rather go to jail?
It's crazy.
So you rather go? Come on, step out.
This is real crazy.
Hey, Ms. Tazewell, step out, please.
Step out for what? I'm not even doing nothing.
Step out, please.
I'm not doing anything.
Step out. I'm not going to ask you again.
I'm not doing anything
Step
wrong.
out the car.
What am I doing wrong?
You either step out or I'll pull you out.
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
I'm not going to ask you again.
What am I doing? I didn't understand.
Okay. So what part of driving on a suspended driver's license you can go to jail don't you understand? Out of the car. Okay. I tell you what. I'm not here to play games with you. I'm asking you to get out the car. Get out the car. So this is the route you want to go down this morning.
And I'm going to jail for nothing. I didn't do anything wrong.
Unlock the car. Unlock the car and get out the car.
For what, sir? Okay. What am I doing wrong?
Okay. We're not going to do this.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Get out. Get out.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Get out.
Because I called him letting him know what's going on.
Get out.
Because I called my baby dad letting him know what's going on. That's
right.
crazy. You locked me up for nothing.
Let's go.
I didn't do any. Stop pulling. I'm getting out the car. I'm getting out the car. You don't have to.
Let's go.
All right.
Now put your hands behind your back.
All right. Somebody record this. Somebody record it. Watch out before you get burned.
Drop the cigarette.
I can't.
Drop.
It's on me. What do you mean?
Drop the cigarette.
It's on me. Get it out my hand. Get it out my hand before you.
Don't worry about it.
Watch out. I didn't do nothing wrong. I need your badge number and your name. And I'm explaining to you and you will sit there, do that to me? Back.
Get up.
Back. That. You had no business keeping training me for no reason.
Let's go.
Can you stop?
This way.
What you're not gonna do is keep pulling on me.
Let's go.
That's what you're not gonna do. You're not gonna keep manhandling me.
You're gonna do what I tell you to do.
But what you're not
In the
gonna
car.
do is keep pulling on me.
In the car.
You're not gonna keep
the car.
on me.
In the
What's wrong with you?
In the car.
The f is wrong with you?
In the car.
Y'all niggas get some badges. Y'all
In the car.
Get a little authority. Y'all forget where you come.
She's sitting there arguing with me about a license. I'm like, yo. Like, she's trying to argue with me. I'm like, get out. It's fine. Get out.
What happened? You asked her to come out?
Yeah.
And she wasn't getting out?
No. I gave her multiple times. She's trying to talk on the phone. She's arguing with me. I'm like, hey, listen. I'm not going to write you a ticket. I'm going to say, I'm going to write you a ticket, send you on your way. She's like, bah, 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 bah. I'm like, man, why are you yelling? Why are you trying to argue with me? And then she's like, bah, bah, bah. I'm like, you know what? Get out. Come on, get out. Get out. No. For what? For what? Okay, cool. You go to jail. No, she's going to jail.
I'm sorry, y'all. Bro. I'm on the phone explaining to my baby daddy and you drugged me out the car for no reason. You asked for my stuff, I gave you my information. I gave you my information. You asked for my information, I gave it to you.
Well, now you got to ride to Bronson.
And I didn't do anything. I gave you my information. I explained to you that my license was not suspended. You took and dragged me out the track for no reason.
Your license suspended. What do you think? We're making that up?
You
I
can't tell
didn't
her.
say he wasn't. I told him that I don't understand why my license is suspended.
We would have told you.
I didn't understand why. And I told him I had insurance. I was trying to show
When he
him
asked you to get out of the car, you get out of the
I
car.
wasn't doing anything.
It doesn't matter.
I was on the phone with my baby dad, let him know what's
Open your window over there. I'll talk to her over there.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Listen to me.
I didn't do nothing wrong. That guy's just drugged me out of the car for nothing.
Listen to me.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm letting them know that I had insurance on my car. I just put $200 on my insurance money, bro.
Listen.
No.
What's your name?
That's crazy, bro. He take me to drive. I just got my license, bro.
What's your name?
I'm a fucking license for vitamins. I worked in the. I'm a sinner and all. Come on.
What is your name?
Tamika, I didn't do
Tamika,
nothing wrong, sir.
listen, Tamika.
I didn't do nothing wrong.
Tamika, when an officer asks you to get out of the car,
I was
he
on
don't
the
need
phone.
her.
I gave him my information. He asked for my information.
Listen to
Can I
me.
get a sergeant out here, please?
Listen.
Can I get a sergeant out here?
When an officer asks you to get out of the car, it
He
don't
didn't
matter.
give me time
It don't
to do
matter.
anything.
It don't matter if you give him your stuff or not. We're
He
allowed to
didn't
ask
give
you
me
to come out
time
of
to
the
do
car.
anything. He didn't give me time. I rode past this man. He rode past me. He was going towards the ballpark and Chiefland. I went to go get gas. He waited for me to get gas.
So?
He waited until I got gas. Turned
So
around
what?
on me for nothing. So what? I want your sergeant out here, please.
You're allowed to.
I want your sergeant.
We're allowed to wait.
Wait for what? He rode past me and turned around on me for nothing. I didn't do nothing wrong coming or getting off from work. That graveyard shift for work, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong.
You didn't comply when he
And
asked
I
you to
did
step out.
comply. I gave him the stuff. I gave him my stuff. He asked me to get out for no reason. He asked me to get out for no reason.
Okay.
I didn't do shit. I want a sergeant out here, please.
Yeah, we'll get somebody out here.
I need a sergeant out here. Y'all not calling him, though.
We did. He just called.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did. You screaming.
Like, that's crazy. I'm not screaming. It's just no. It's up, bro.
Well, you didn't. Listen.
I didn't do anything wrong. That's what you don't understand.
You would have just got a ticket.
I told him I didn't know. I gave him my information. I was on the phone. He got mad because I was on the phone. He got mad because I'm on the phone.
Being on the phone had nothing to do with it.
Yes, it had, did. You didn't get mad until I explained it to my boyfriend. You got mad when I explained it to my boyfriend that I already paid for the ticket. You just got mad over nothing.
There's two sides to every story. There's a camera on my chest.
Right.
So why are you gonna sit here and lie?
I'm not lying.
Mad
I
'cause
was
you-
on the phone with my boyfriend. I'm telling him I'm getting pulled over for nothing.
Her boyfriend is the one that told her to get out of the car. She kept
He
arguing.
did not. He said chill
Oh
out.
my God. He
He
didn't
said chill. He said chill. He said
Man.
chill. You said that you
Man.
started me for nothing.
Man.
On my way home for 15, 16 hours of out of here.
All right, chill out, Tamika. We got.
Get outta
I'll
here.
talk to somebody. We got somebody coming to talk to you.
I was complying with him the whole time.
Your car's being towed
I was
too.
You call-
complying
you
with
call
you the whole
somebody come over?
time.
Huh?
You call the supervisor?
Yeah.
I was complying with you the whole time. Complying. I got my license. I got my insurance. You wouldn't even let me show you that I had my insurance. And then he gonna state that I have another vehicle with insurance on it. And I don't.
You got a medical marijuana card?
And I don't.
You got a medical marijuana
Not
card?
on me.
Do you have one?
Not on me.
But do you have one?
I used to.
So why? Well, it smells like weed in the car.
Because I was smoking yesterday.
Okay, well. You think maybe that had something to do with why
That
he's
didn't
telling
have
you to come
nothing
out
to
of the
do
car?
with it because he didn't say nothing to me.
You don't have to say something to you.
That was not the reason why. Don't try to say that's the reason why. Don't try to put that on it. Don't try to say that's why. Don't try to say that's why.
Just tell him 20.
Don't try to say that's why. Stop lying. Y'all trying to cover up your ass. Now y'all trying to cover up your ass. Yes, you is. You get a little badge on you. You try to stop.
She talking about shooting somebody and got a mouth like that. That's crazy.
And I sat there and told you that something similar to the same thing. You can drop it down there. Something similar just happened to me a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, it just happened to me a couple of weeks ago. Can you answer that call for me?
Huh?
Can you please answer that call for me?
No, I can't answer a call.
Go to head, dog. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you.
Yeah.
I'm not talking to you. You're a nasty ass dog. That's what you is.
As the higher-ups come onto the scene, the arresting officer tries to explain what exactly went down.
She didn't want to get out. So at that point, I just opened the door, grab her by her shirt, pull her out. We go to the ground, put her in cuffs. She steady resisted, so I pushed her up on the car. That's where we are. Okay. She's hot, yelling, complaining. She wants the supervisor. The supervisor's not out, so this is where we are. The guy on the phone with her when I first told her to get out, he's like, just get out. He's, as long as that.
Yeah, so make sure you take pictures of the car, take pictures of the inside, because I don't want to always say we trashed her.
Yeah.
You're going to lose your job. You're going to lose your job. I promise you that. Because you had no business dragging me out the car for no reason. You didn't even have backup up on you or nothing. It was you by yourself.
As they get to the county jail, the arresting officer attempts one final time to explain why she was stopped and removed from the car.
You got pockets on there? Now you ready for an explanation? Or are you still going to yell and carry on?
I wasn't yelling at you.
But you ready for an explanation?
Okay. Phone.
Let me give you an explanation, okay? Because everything that occurred was on camera. Okay, so I don't have to have. Listen. All you got to do is listen. The reason they didn't talk to you out there is because every time my lieutenant said something to you, you talked over him. Okay, so hold on. So then the major said, "Hey, you know what? She don't want to listen. We're done talking." Okay.
I was listening.
So come on, look at me. Let's talk. So I had a reason that'll take you to jail. I come up there. I say, "Hey, listen, I'm just gonna write you a ticket."
I didn't do nothing for you to do that.
Driving on a suspended driver's license is a crime.
And I was telling you my license is not suspended.
See. Look, the same thing. You're not listening to me.
And I was listening to you. Then.
You're not right now.
But you dragged me out of the car. You want me to listen to you?
Because I asked you to get out of the car.
For nothing. I gave you my information.
Okay, so we're back to the same spot. We're back to
and
the
you're
same.
trying to put it on me.
Put it on you.
You're trying to put everything on me when you dragged me out of the car for nothing. And I gave you my information. You asked for my license and registration. I did comply with you. I did not refuse you. I did apply with you. And I gave you that. And I talked to my boyfriend on the phone.
If you comply with me, we wouldn't be in this situation.
I gave you my registration and my license. Because I was on the phone and you got mad.
Because on camera, I'm not mad with you being on the phone. No, I'm not.
That's a
you were on the phone when I walked up there.
I was not on the phone. The phone was ringing when you walked up.
You were on the phone.
You was a liar. You was a liar. The phone was ringing.
Well,
I gave you my license and registration.
I try to talk, like I said.
You tried to talk after you dragged me out the car for nothing.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
A few hours later, Tamika and her boyfriend show up to the police department and hope to file charges against the arresting officer.
Do what?
File charges.
File charges on what?
Against Officer Williams.
Ma'am, you come up and got a report.
I didn't ask for it. You gave me
You can't file charge. You cannot file charges on the officer, ma'am. You got to do it. Okay, look, I'm done. Okay, I'm trying to explain to you. Just like you was on the side of the road with him, you won't listen. You won't listen at me. You cannot. You listen. We looked at the video. You cannot. You cannot file a arrest on the officer. They give you a complaint form to fill out. You fill a complaint form, you bring it back up here, they'll do an internal investigation on that case. Okay?
I want to see the videos too.
What you understand what I'm telling you, sir? Come back up here, bring the report that we gave you to fill out, give it to them, and they will do an internal investigation on Officer Williams' case.
But that's two different things, right?
Do what?
That's two different things, right?
What you mean two different things?
A complaint and filing charges.
But you was on
You
the
can't
phone,
file.
did
You
I
can't
not listen
file.
to him?
You cannot file charges on an officer. Okay? You get a,
What can you
you
do
go.
on officer?
Well, I'm telling you what to do. Listen at me. They gave her a form. Fill out the complaint form in reference to what happened. Okay? They will open up an internal on that officer. Now, if that officer was found wrong of what he did, then he will be disciplined. He will be disciplined, okay? And if it warrants for charges being filed against him, then charges will be filed against him through the state attorney's office. It's got to go through the state attorney's office. You understand what I'm saying? You got to do the investigation. They give you the form to fill it out, bring it up here, turn it in. It'll go to the higher up, the chief, the major, and the captain and the lieutenant.
And that's Chief Anderson?
That's Chief Anderson, yes.
Okay.
He's the chief.
Okay.
Okay, but you got to do the internal. You got to do the internal. You got to fill out the complaint form, which was given to her. Okay, you got to do that first, and then if they see warrant, send the charges on over to the state attorney office, and the state attorney look at it and say, okay, yeah, well, we got enough to file charges on Officer Williams for battery or whatever. Then they'll do that. Okay, but you got to start somewhere, and that's where you're starting at with the complaint.
Okay, but those will be filled in more things.
Okay, well, man, we
It's
tried.
the fact that you sitting there saying,
I'm done. Sir, I'm done. Y'all have a good day. I'm have a good day. Listen, ma'am, listen, let me tell you something. You came up here to our PD wanting information, and I explained it to you. I was on the phone. I wasn't there. He was.
on the phone.
Okay, well, I understand that. Okay, well, you listen, stop. You put him in your complaint, and they'll call him in to interview him. Okay, if so, okay? But don't come up here with an attitude like, yes, you did. You came up here with attitude earlier, man. I'm not arguing with you about this, okay? I'm not arguing. No, I didn't get nasty with you. No, I did not get nasty with you. No, I didn't, man. You came up here and said you want to arrest somebody. Hey, look, I'm done talking with you. This is done, okay? What I'm asking you to right now do, leave the police department.
Oh, I am.
Go.
But y'all won't hit the last one.
Good. Have a good day, ma'am. That's all you got to do, sir. She fill it out, bring it back up here, and they'll do it internal. Yeah, I'm talking to you because she ain't listening. She got attitude. I ain't talking to her. Have a good day.
Tamika was charged with 2 offenses: driving while license is suspended or revoked, which is her second offense, and resisting and obstructing an officer without violence. Under Florida Statute 322.34, driving while license is suspended or revoked means that prosecutors allege that she drove while knowing her license was suspended or revoked. A second conviction under 322.34 is typically a first-degree misdemeanor with maximum penalties, if convicted, of up to 1 year in jail and a $1,000 fine, as well as potential court costs and possible further license sanctions. As for resisting and obstructing a officer without violence, that falls under Florida Statute 843.02, where she allegedly resisted, delays, or obstructed a law enforcement officer in the lawful performance of duties without using violence. Examples: not complying with commands, pulling away, making it harder for the officer to handcuff you and do his investigation. Maximum penalties for resisting and obstructing officer without violence under Florida Statute 843.02, considering this is a first-degree misdemeanor, is up to 1 year in jail and a maximum fine of $1,000. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. Let me know your thoughts down below on what you guys thought about this video, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.